Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Let's Speak in English. Today we describe in detail how to build English vocabulary, how to remember lots of words by just one word. You can remember lots of words, more than 10 words, by remembering just one root word. So, what is root word and what is the technique of root word expansion? Let's we describe here. Expanding a root word helps in building vocabulary. By adding prefix and suffix, we create new words that have related meanings. This method is useful in understanding words family and how language evolves. Let's we describe here how we can remember more than 10 words by just one root word. We have example here. We have one root word each act. We can remember lots of words from this root word. So first one we have here is action. Act is root word and action is full word. Action, the process of doing something. Next here, active. Act is root word, active is full word. Active mean engaged in movement or energetic activity. Next here, act is root word and activity is full word, a specific task or movement. And here next one is root word at behind is work as suffix here, and full word is react is mean to respond to something. And next one here is root word in the middle of the word. Reaction. Reaction means a response to an action. And next one we have here root word at front and word is actor. Actor, a person who performs in plays and movies. Next here, act and front and actual is full word here. Actual mean real or existing in fact. And next one here, root word at front and full word is activate. Activate mean to make something active. And next here is activation. Root word at front, the process of making something active. The activation is full word. So you can get easily from the root word act. From all these words you can derive from the word act. Act is a root word. So you can remember all these words very easily by remember this one root word act. Act is root word and these all were derived from this root word. It's very simple. And next one, how can you build your vocabulary in English language by synonyms and antonyms? Synonyms help us express ideas in different ways, making speech and writing more interesting. Antonyms, on the other hand, provide contrast and help in understanding the depth of words. Let's have some words from synonyms. When you find out the word of any word in synonyms, that add your extra word to your vocabulary. For example, joyful here is meaning feeling great happiness, and its synonyms here is cheerful. Cheerful is showing happiness in behavior. Other synonyms of joyful is pleased, feeling satisfied or content. Another example of joyful is delighted, feeling extreme happiness. And one more here is content, you mean a state of peaceful happiness. And next one here, ecstatic. Ecstatic means overwhelming happiness or excitement. These are all synonyms of joyful. You can remember all these word vocabulary just by remembering one synonym word, joyful. So this helps in to build your English word vocabulary. Let's we further describe how one word help you to find out more word. Let's find out now antonyms of joyful word. Joyful word antonym here is sad, miserable, unhappy, depressed, gloomy. These are antonyms of joyful. Joyful. Already we find some synonyms word or before, and here is antonym words. We have only one word and we find lots of words that related to one word. Sad means feeling sorrow, miserable, extremely unhappy, unhappy, lacking joy or satisfaction, depressed, feeling hopeless and very sad, and gloomy is dark, depressing, or sorrowful. These are all antonyms of joyful. Let's we describe how you can remember the word easily so you can build your English vocabulary. Word association and context usage. Words are often associated with specific context. By grouping words into themes, we can understand their connection and improve our language skill. For example, we connect all words from ocean or sea. Here, sea, a large body of salt water, waves is related to the ocean as well, the movement of water caused by winds or tide. The next one is water, a clear liquid that make up ocean, sea and lakes. Next here is tide, the rising and falling of sea level. Next here is surf, the breaking wave near the shore. Ship, a large boat used for travel or transport. Marine related to the sea or ocean life, beach the sandy or rocky shore of an ocean or lakes, coast the land along the edge of sea or ocean, deep far below the surface of the ocean. These all word vocabulary connect to the sea and ocean, so you can remember them easily. Let's we describe how you can remember lots of word vocabulary by phrase and idiom connection. Phrases and idioms often use words in non-literal ways. Understanding idiomatic expression improve fluency and make conversations more natural. Let's have some example that use same phrase and make the word here, break through, break up, break down, break the ice, break a leg, break the news. These all words made from the phrase break. Break through a major discovery or success. Break up the end of a relationship. Break down a failure or collapse, or physically or emotionally. Break the ice, start a conversation in social setting. Break a leg, a way to wish someone good luck. This is an American idioms. Break the news to share important or shocking information. These all word vocabulary you can remember easily. They start with break. They start with phrase break, and you can remember very easily all these words. This helps you in to remember word vocabulary easily. Let's we describe how can you remember word vocabulary in English language. Next one here, translation and cognates. Cognates are words that look similar and have the same meaning in different languages. Recognizing these patterns helps in learning multiple languages efficiently. For example, in English, here is animal, a living organism that is not a plant. Very funny definition here. And in Spanish, we see if the animal, this is the same meaning to in Spanish, the same meaning as in English. And in Italian, animal, similar to animal and mean to the same, and in French, animaux, the plural form of animal in French. These almost have same pronunciation and same meaning, so you can remember easily these words by cognates. Hopefully you understand how to remember word vocabulary in English language. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Give us a like and subscribe the channel as well.